Hello, my friends. Damn. December 22nd, December 21st, December 21st. It is 37 degrees out right now. And I'm out here on this motorcycle. I've got to be stupid. Roll the intro. So, a couple years ago, I think back in January 2020, I started talking about a riding streak that I was doing. And it was riding every month. So up until today, I hadn't rode for December yet. And I figured I'm on vacation again. My last vacation of the year. I figured, what the hell? Let's jump on a motorcycle, go out for a ride in the fucking cold, and make a new video for you guys. So that's what I'm doing right now. So like I said, it's like 37 degrees here in southeastern Pennsylvania. We have a rainstorm coming in tomorrow, and then following that storm, shit's gonna get cold. Now, a lot of people think that us fat people, just because we're fat, we don't get cold. Damn, they are so wrong. I really hate the cold. And hey, there's my tattoo parlor right there. 7 stars. That's where I get my tattoos at. But the older I get, man, the more and more I really cannot stand the cold. Now today, I am wearing a heated sweat jacket. And no, it's not a Kemimoto. But Kemimoto, if you're listening to this, I'd be more than happy to test out a jacket, gloves, whatever you want to throw at me, heated gear. I'd be more than happy to test it out for you. Because even with these thick gloves right here, yeah, my hands are getting a little nippy. Don't have heated grips, don't have none of that shit. So, yeah. But, yeah, like I said, that's because I'm a fat guy. It don't mean I like the cold. Don't mean I'm warm. I'm always cold anymore, it seems. I really need to figure out a way to move to a warmer climate where I won't be riding anything less than 50 degrees. Because, yeah, I can't do this 37 degrees for a long time here because it's cold and I'm unprepared. You know, I should have put on my my Duluth Trading Company fleece line pants for this. I mean, overall, the only thing that's really cold right now is really not a lot. I mean, I'm not that cold at this point in time. So, we got Christmas coming up. I think I'm ready. I hope I'm ready, because I'm not going back shopping again. I've been in too many stores this Christmas season, and I don't want to go back to any more. Pretty cool car in front of us, Plymouth station wagon. So yeah, I'm done. If I have to do something, I'll pick up a gift card somewhere. Maybe stop at Wawa for all you Pennsylvania, Eastern Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware. I'll stop at Wawa and get me a Wawa gift card for somebody. But it does feel good to be back on the bike, even if it's just for a short ride, a short period of time. It's nice. People probably looking at me like I'm fucking insane, but I don't care. That really is a cool car. I don't know if you can see the sticker on the back window. It says it's Nixon in 60. Got some construction going on here, or destruction, however you want to look at it. So anyway, this, my friends, is where I'm going to end this video. Just because you guys really don't want to hear me bitching about how it's cold outside and how I hate the cold, and I really can't stand the cold. So I will end it now. Put myself out of my misery, put you guys out of your misery. Alright, my friends. Until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.